Stop by and take a look at the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.